Very good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Rishalan here, and how are you guys doing over there? I hope your trading journey are going absolutely great, and also remember to take care of your risk management. Moreover, whenever you have your risk management in hand along with your trading plan, I'm pretty sure you would gain the profit along the years. Anyway, without any further ado, let me dive into this talk called TSH. Oh yeah, before that I've forgotten to actually mention, I believe some of you guys are having a rough week. It's because of, I think it's not mistaken, I've read about 5 stocks have gone limit down. Can you imagine when 5 stocks are going limit down, can you imagine there would be a ripple effect to some other stocks as well? And I do check it out, like about 15 to 20 stocks on average, they are actually losing about 20 to 30% of their market capital. Can you imagine whenever a company losing their market capital by 20%, even 10% itself is considered a lot in one day. Can you imagine that? Whenever you are seeing 10% or more than 10%, then I think it's pretty much a red alert to either stock market or also to the stock itself. But somehow Malaysia SE mentioned that all stocks consider intact, only certain stocks are actually having this issue. Come on, there are about like close to, if not mistaken, close to 1,200 stocks in KLSE. So that I believe these stocks are only like just a small amount of numbers that actually being impacted. Somehow, let's go into this TSH. So somehow TSH are actually having a good rise, it seems, today, and it actually broke around $1.01. If let's say they actually broke $1.07, I believe this stock is going to be a new high. So I'm actually waiting for these stocks to do a new high, which is about $1.07. If it actually break above $1.07, I believe this guy is actually a bullish formation. But if actually break this pennant, it is also a bullish for this, and maybe you guys can actually let it break and come back to the normal state, and either you can enter at $1.03, or maybe you can enter inside this panel. Let's see how it goes, but it has to break completely in order for you to see it's a bullish trend. But right now we are seeing a bullish trend line because that this is actually lower low, lower high, and this is lower high. And even though the higher high, higher low, and higher low is getting down, but somehow the pressure from lower low it's getting higher and higher and higher, and it's gonna make a cross. When it actually make a cross over this trend line, then you would actually see a bullish over here. Maybe let's take a look on the Fibonacci. Maybe we take a look on Fibonacci. Let's see. So if let's say it breaks $1.07, you might actually see it $1.13 as your, what do you call that, another resistance if it breaks. So if let's say it breaks, so if it breaks, at $1.07, then you might see $1.13 as your resistance. Yeah. If you take a look on FCPO, let's see FCPO. What is we are showing us now? The CPU future is also seems like a bit sideways. Yeah, indeed it is a sideways for me. Oh, it actually broke. No wonder, it actually broke. So this is, yeah, I mean, it might actually test 4029, and somehow the analyst predicted that it might actually go all the way to 4020 and then moving forward to 4200. This is actually from analyst. So analyst 1, and this is overall analyst. This is overall analyst. So you guys can take a look at it. But for me, this is actually pretty much bullish. And let's say it breaks down again. If it breaks down maybe below this level, below 3872, then it is pretty bad and something we should worry of. So I think pretty much that's all, guys. Nothing else for CPO. Remember, it might actually touch 4030. If it breaks this, it might touch 4200. But then if it actually broke below 3870, then I think this is kinda like a red flag to all the plantation sector. But moving forward in TSH, I believe this guy would actually create a new high. He would create a new high past this February 23rd. Maybe it would create a new high by breaking the highest high in 2023. 2023, the highest was $1.12. I believe it might actually test this area to see there will be a double top. Once you see a double top, then it might actually move on into $1.23 and $1.33. I'm looking forward to have a pretty good technical chart in the future. Yeah, I think this is actually a good indicator. I'm seeing smart money gets in as well. So guys, if you guys thinking that wanted to actually get into this TSH resource, by all means get into it, and remember your risk management as well. But for me, the cut loss, definitely it's going to be below 99 cent. If it goes below 99 cent, because the volume already pushed up from 99 cent, if you go below 99 cent, I think that is a red flag where you need to cut loss. So remember your risk and reward, guys. I hope all of you guys enjoyed my video. Take care and adios.